What if I told you there's a 20-minute window that's all that stands between you and regaining the vitality and energy you thought had disappeared with your 20s? If you're over 50, your morning cup of coffee isn't just a way to wake up. It's actually a biological crossroads. It can either become a trap that drains your heart's energy and exhausts your nervous system, or it can turn into an ultra-fast restoration system that rebuilds the flexibility of your arteries from the inside out. Today, on our channel, I won't give you the same general advice you hear every day. Instead, I'll reveal a strict and precise 20-minute protocol. Together, we'll take a unique, microscopic journey inside your body, minute by minute, to witness the remarkable effects of adding just 2 ingredients from your kitchen to your daily coffee. But before we begin, there's a silent medical warning. 90% of men make a critical mistake during the 5th minute after drinking their coffee. That mistake completely destroys this entire process, turning coffee into something that promotes arterial inflammation instead of cleaning your arteries. I'll reveal that mistake in detail so you can protect your body from it immediately and make sure you get the results we're about to discuss. The moment you take the first sip of this enhanced blend, your body's biological clock begins working silently and powerfully. Minute 1 to minute 5, the silent awakening. As soon as the coffee, enriched with ginger extract and Ceylon cinnamon, touches your tongue and the membranes inside your mouth, the unique volatile oils in ginger begin to be absorbed immediately through the tiny blood vessels lining your mouth, even before the coffee reaches your stomach. At that moment, your central nervous system receives a coded signal that reinforcement has arrived. Your morning brain fog begins to fade gradually. Not because of caffeine alone, but because the sensory nerves are sending instant signals to your brain that the time for sluggishness is over and the phase of peak alertness has begun. Minute 10, the nitric oxide miracle and artery expansion. By now, the powerful gingerol compounds in ginger have entered your bloodstream and begun interacting with what we call the endothelium, the delicate inner lining of your blood vessels. This is where the miracle every man is searching for begins, especially after the age of 50. In response to these compounds, your body starts releasing nitric oxide. This gas acts like a magic key, relaxing the hardened walls of your arteries that have stiffened with age and allowing them to widen with flexibility and ease. Blood that once struggled to reach your extremities and the sensitive areas of your body because of narrowed vessels now begins flowing freely and powerfully, restoring vitality to every cell in your body. Minute 15. The guardian of energy and blood sugar control. At this moment, Ceylon cinnamon takes center stage. While coffee naturally tries to raise your blood sugar rapidly, cinnamon steps in like an intelligent conductor, preventing that harmful spike. It acts as a natural insulin mimetic, opening the doors of your cells so they can efficiently absorb glucose and convert it into usable energy. This ensures that the energy you feel is genuine and stable, rather than ending in the sudden sugar crash that leaves you feeling tired and sluggish an hour after drinking regular coffee. When the clock reaches minute 20, what scientists refer to as a peak vitality surge takes place. At this precise moment, the concentration of caffeine and the powerful antioxidants in ginger reaches the peak of their chemical interaction. You'll notice 3 unmistakable physical signs. 1. Noticeable warmth in your extremities. You'll feel a gentle warmth spreading through your hands and feet, the most important sign of complete blood circulation, meaning blood has successfully reached the farthest parts of your body. 2. Mental sharpness and clarity. You'll find that your ability to focus and make difficult decisions has become razor sharp because your brain is literally flooded with oxygen-rich, freely flowing blood. 3. Increased physical confidence. You'll feel as though your muscles are fully charged and ready for physical activity, not merely awake after struggling to get out of bed. But now, we need to pause for a moment to talk about the miracle destroyer. If you're one of the men who adds even a single spoonful of sugar or uses industrial coffee creamers loaded with hydrogenated oils, you're committing a real crime against your arteries. During the 5th minute, instead of allowing your arteries to relax under the influence of ginger, sugar triggers immediate inflammation inside your blood vessels. It turns your blood into a thick, sticky fluid that's much harder to pump, completely canceling out the effects of nitric oxide. You're literally closing the doors that this golden duo is trying to open. That's why our strict rule is simple. Black coffee, pure, with absolutely no artificial additives. To make sure you achieve these remarkable results, your coffee can't be prepared randomly. Here's the scientific protocol we follow. 1. The foundation. Use 150 milliliters of pure water and 1 cup of your favorite black coffee. The first secret is the water temperature. It should be about 85 degrees Celsius, 185 degrees Fahrenheit when poured. Don't use boiling water straight away because excessive heat destroys the delicate polyphenol compounds found in coffee and in the ingredients we're about to add. 2. The ginger dose. Use 1 small slice of fresh ginger, about 2 millimeters thick, roughly the size of a coin. The secret here is partial crushing. Press the slice gently with the back of a spoon until you see tiny drops of its oily resin begin to appear. Then place it at the bottom of the cup before pouring in the coffee. This fresh extract contains active enzymes that simply aren't present in dried ginger. 3. The cinnamon dose. Use exactly half a gram, about the tip of a very small teaspoon of true Ceylon cinnamon, and it must be Ceylon cinnamon. I emphasize the word must because other commercial varieties contain much higher levels of coumarin, which may place stress on the liver when used daily over a long period. 4. The steeping time. After pouring the coffee over the ingredients, cover the cup for exactly 3 minutes. This prevents the volatile oils that help open your arteries from evaporating with the rising steam. 5. How to drink it. Don't drink the entire cup at once. Sip it slowly over 5 minutes. This allows gradual absorption through the tissues of your mouth, followed by gentle absorption in your stomach. You now have the secret that may completely transform your daily routine and your life. This protocol isn't just another beverage. It's a daily investment in the health of your heart, your arteries, and the mental performance you deserve. Today's challenge is simple. Tomorrow morning, start following this protocol. Once those 20 minutes have passed and you feel that surge of energy and warmth throughout your body, don't forget to come back and share your experience in the comments. Your success stories are what truly motivate us to keep going. And always remember, age is just a number we write on paper, but the health and flexibility of your arteries determine the true quality of your life. Write "no sugar" in the comments, and let's start this challenge together. Share this video with someone you love and wish lasting health and strength. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.